In this video, let's see how to manage email campaigns. In the navigation bar, click on Email. The drafted campaign can be resumed by clicking on the Continue button. Click on the three-dot menu located next to one of the drafted campaigns to view more actions. Here you can delete the drafted campaign by click on this Delete button. In the confirmation pop-up, click Confirm to delete the drafted campaign. Click Reschedule button to reschedule the campaign. In the calendar pop-up, choose the new date and time for the campaign to start. After rescheduling campaign, click on the Confirm button. In the three-dot menu drop-down of the scheduled campaign, click on the Send Now button to send the campaign instantly without waiting for scheduled time. In the confirmation modal, click Confirm. Click View button to see campaign details. Thank you for watching.